Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to complete levels 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, including part A and part B of each level in Introduction to Computer Science on CodeCombat. In case you don't know what that is, it's a website like a game, but this time you have to write the code for what you want your character to do. And the goal is, it's always different, but for now, our goal is to collect the gems. So let's start this level. Here there's some hints, and by clicking this button, it is the music. So you can set theme music. Okay, here, we're gonna start off at this dot. We already have a move right, so now we want to, if we want to get to the gem, we want to move down and then move right again. So that's what we're going to do. Hero dot move down, and then hero dot move right. That's going to make the hero move. Move right one time, then move down, and then move right, which is going to get us the gem. And there's no code you need to put for it to pick up the gem. As long as you go through the gem, it's going to pick it up for you. Okay, so let's hit run to see if it worked. And it does. We got the gem, and now we can click done. Now let's go on to the next level, Gems in the Deep. Start level. So, in this level, here we can move around, but there are 5 gems. We want to get them like this. So, first thing we want to do is move right, which we already have right here. Next, we want to move down. So, hero dot move down. Now, after we move down, let's move up. But since we're down here, we want to move up twice. So what we're going to do is hero dot move up. But instead of writing hero dot move up twice, which you can do, you can instead, in between parentheses, write how many times you want to go up. For example, if you go up 3 times, it's going to go up 3 times. But you don't want to do that because then you're going to hit the spikes on the corners. So we want to move up twice. After we move up, all that's left to do is move right to get this last gem. So now, hero dot move right. Now let's run to see if it works. Now we just have to get one last one and done. So, yay, it worked. So now let's hit done and move on to the next level. It's called Shadow Guard. This one is a little bit confusing at times because if you go through here, this ogre, which is the bad guy, is going to see you. So what you have to do is use this statue, the statue right here, to cover you up so that he doesn't see you. For example, once we move right, we want to move up, then right, then down, and then right. So, since we already have the move right here, we want to move, skip that, we want to move up. So we just type up and it's going to automatically fill it out. Then we want to move right again. After moving right, we of course want to move down. Now when we're right here, all we have to do is move right. So hero dot move right. There we go. Let's run our code. And as you can see, the ogre is not seeing us because we are behind the the statue. Done. Now we can hit done. And the next level, it's 3A. Start level. Now for this one, we need to avoid the ogres and grab the gem. So these ogres are actually moving ogres. So they're going to be moving in a square like this. So instead of going down once and then go here, we can't because of the skeletons. We can't go over the skeletons. So what we're going to have to do is move down twice, then right, then up, and then right. And these ogres are not going to see us because they are moving in this direction. So by the time we get down here, they'll already be up here. And by the time we get here, they'll be here. And then we can go up and grab the gem. So first one, we want to move down twice. So we're going to put a 2 in between parentheses. Now let's move right Now move up. And for the last time, move right. Sorry about that. Right. Now let's run our code. As you can see, it says the ogres are walking in a square. They cannot see us. And success. Now let's click done. And now we're going to 3B. So for this one, it's a little bit weird. But what we want to do, since the ogres are moving all the way here and then all the way back, we want to move to the right, then to the left, and then to the right again. Because then by the time we get to the middle, they'll be over here, so they won't be able to see us. So let's first go hero, move right. Now we move hero, move left, which is a little weird, but we're not going to get seats, so we don't have to worry about that. Now after we move left, we want to move right. How many times? 1, 2. We want to move right 2 times. So in parentheses, we'll put a 2. Now let's run our code. And as you can see, the ogres cannot see us. Success. There we go. So now we can hit done and move on to the next level. Sometimes it takes a while for it to load. So this one is a little bit confusing. It's harder than the other ones we've done so far, but it's actually not that hard. So first we want to move hero, move right 3, because as you can see, there's 3 red dots. Once we're here, we want to move up. So we're going to hero dot move up. After we move up, we're going to be right here, and then we're going to want to move right. So hero dot move right. Then we're going to want to move down, but a few times. So let's count that. Want to move down. We want to move down 3 times exactly. So hero dot move. Oh, sorry, we already have that. So let's erase that. Hero dot move down 3 times. Now we're going to hero dot move right twice, and let's run our code. And there we go. All we had to do was not get seen by bad guys and not avoid these fire traps. These little blinking purple lights are called fire traps. There we go. Let's hit done. And this next level is called Illusory Interruption. So this one has like a little hint right here, which is use the decoy to distract the guards by stepping on the X. So first thing we're going to do is move right. Then we're going to move down twice. Then we're going to move up twice. And then we're going to move right 3 times. So that's what we're going to do. First one was hero dot move right. Then it's hero dot move down because we want to create a decoy so that the ogres move down. And then we want to move down twice. My bad. Now we want hero to move up twice because it was just a decoy. And now we want to move right 1, 2, 3 times. So hero dot move right and a 3 in parentheses. So let's run our code. And in case you're wondering if you can fast forward, you can. All you have to do is click here and just fast forward. Just drag it. There we go. So we know we're successful because it says success up here. And now we can hit done. Now, we have 2 levels left. One is called Forgetful Gem Smith. All we have to do is grab the gems and get to the exit. Our goals are to survive, collect all the gems, get to the exit, and the 2 bonuses are if we do it all under 10 statements and if we have no code problems. So, first thing we want to do is move right. After we're right, we want to move down twice. So, here move down, and in parentheses, twice. Actually, we only have to move down one time, so we don't have to do anything right there. Now we want to move right twice. So here, move right twice. Now I want to move up. So here, dot, move up. So right now we should be move right, move down, move right twice, and move up. We should be right here. So now the last part is here, dot, move right. So yeah, that should be it. And we can maybe fast forward to the end. Okay, so we know it's right, success. We'll just wait for all the gems to be collected. 3, 2, 1, done. There we go. Now let's hit done. And our last level is called True Names. So this is our goal is to attack Brack twice and Treg twice. Brack and Treg are the names of the trolls or ogres. Now let's hero dot. Sorry, not move up. Hero dot attack. And then Treg. And then we'll do hero dot attack Treg. There we go. Now let's run our code and success. All we had to do was attack Brack and Treg twice, 2 times each. And there we go. Let's hit done. And that's it. We finished our first 5 levels of Introduction to Computer Science. If you like this video, there is a lot more levels of CodeCombat. So let me know down in the comments what you think and if you think I should do more CodeCombat videos. Also, make sure to visit my website, leela.me, where I'm going to be posting tons of stuff like how to download my Procreate palettes, written instructions, and tons of more things. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Missing someone.